Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Cake Drip Bottle is probably one of the most innovative tools to elevate your cake decorating game. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, achieving those perfect drips can be a challenge. But with this bottle, you'll be able to create stunning designs with ease, adding a professional touch to your cakes that will impress everyone. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Chef Squeeze Bottle Set. This set includes a medium and a large squeeze bottle. The unique attached cap stays open while you squeeze, allowing for a precise pour. The cap snaps closed for easy shaking and storage. It's perfect for oils, vinegars, dressings, condiments, syrups, and dessert toppings. The lids are interchangeable between the bottle sizes. This feature adds to the convenience and versatility of the set. The bottles feature convenient measurement markings in cups, ounces, and milliliters. This helps you measure ingredients accurately. The BPA-free bottle comes apart for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. This makes it simple to maintain and reuse. The set comes with one thick tip and one thin tip. This allows you to control the flow and create different effects. What we like. This bottle's attached cap stays open while you squeeze, ensuring a precise pour. If you're looking for a versatile bottle for oils, vinegar, or dressings, this is a great choice. The convenient measurement markings will help you get the perfect amount every time. What people say. The texture on the bottle makes a big difference. Even with slightly wet or greasy hands, they're easy to grip and control without slipping. The nozzle gives a smooth, consistent squeeze for sauces, oils, or dressings, and the snap-on cap fits snugly and stays put, which keeps things clean and leak-free. They're also easy to refill and clean, and the plastic feels durable without being too stiff. Number 4. IMPRESA 4-ounce squeeze bottles, clear, pack of 8. These IMPRESA squeeze bottles are perfect for both cooking and crafting. The reusable design makes them ideal for various applications, from sauces to cookie decorating. Each bottle comes with a pre-cut tip for easy and accurate dispensing. You can adjust the tip to control the flow, making it suitable for any task. Made from BPA-free plastic, these bottles are built to last. The robust construction ensures they can withstand frequent use in any setting. Cleaning is simple, either by hand with soap and water or in the dishwasher. This makes the bottles reusable and convenient for repeated use. With a set of 8 bottles, you'll have plenty for group activities or personal use. Whether it's for icing, sauces, or paint, they provide ample supply. What we like. These mini squeeze bottles are perfect for culinary creations and holiday decorating. If you are planning a group activity like holiday baking or need a lot of bottles for paint, this set provides ample supply for various applications. They are easy to clean and designed for frequent use. What people say. I put my finger over the tip of the spout, squeezed them pretty hard, and they didn't leak. The tip doesn't clog, caps stay on securely and the bottle hasn't cracked or leaked. The seal between the cap and lid was tight. No leaking. Number 3. Wilton 12-ounce squeeze bottle for candy melts. Introducing a convenient way to create candies. This squeeze bottle, designed by Wilton, makes candy creation a mess-free experience. This durable bottle is made to withstand repeated use in your kitchen. You can melt candy, sauces, or condiments and pour them directly into it. Use this bottle with melted candy for drawing, piping, and writing. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. The bottle holds up to 12 fluid ounces, perfect for melting the right amount of candy for any project. It's designed to make your candy making process easier. This plastic squeeze bottle is microwave safe, allowing you to melt candy directly in the bottle. It's a practical addition to any kitchen. It's a great way to store and reheat leftover candy. This bottle is designed for ease of use and convenience. What we like. This bottle is specifically designed for a mess-free candy creation experience. If you like the convenience of melting candy right in the bottle, this microwave-friendly option is perfect. It's built to last, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen. What people say. Removing the lid reveals a wide mouth opening that is easy to fill with or without a funnel. The tip on the cap of the bottle works well to dispense the contents as slow or fast as you wish depending on the pressure applied. It is very easy to squeeze and control pressure with this very high quality decorating squeeze bottle. It is thin plastic but very durable. Number 2. Roxy and Rich Rainbow Cake Drip Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a vibrant touch to your cakes. It includes 6 beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, spring green, ocean blue, and purple. Each bottle contains 2.6 ounces, providing plenty of colorful drip for your creations. It's easy to use and will make your cake stand out. This kit is made with everyone in mind. It's free of palm oils, nuts, gluten, and lactose, and is also vegetarian friendly. You can rest assured knowing that the product meets the highest health standards. It's approved for use in both the EU and Canada. The product is completely edible, so you can enjoy every delicious drop. It's designed to be safe and enjoyable for everyone. Get ready to decorate in seconds. It's easy to use and apply, saving you time and effort. What we like. This kit offers a rainbow of colors and is ready to use in just 30 seconds. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add vibrant colors to your cakes, this is the perfect choice. The variety of colors allows for endless creative possibilities. What people say. Worked amazing. Make sure to follow the directions. And make sure to shake them really well. It did what I needed it to do. The bottles are small, I got to use them for 2 cakes. Oh, and you gotta melt them before use. The directions are on the bottles. Product was just as described. Easy to use. Taste was okay. It definitely isn't Merkin's, but if you struggle to color white chocolate like I do, this is a quick fix. 1 bottle can probably cover 2 9-inch cakes, if you're not coloring the whole top. I'd buy again if needed. Just make sure you shake it well. Definitely needs a hard shake. Number 1. Wilton Mini Squeeze Bottles, 6 ounces, 2 count. Introducing the Wilton Mini Squeeze Bottles. This set includes 2 bottles, perfect for all your baking and crafting needs. They are designed to make your work easier. Each bottle holds up to 6 ounces of liquid. It's great for filling candy molds, drizzling chocolate, or adding details to cakes. This is a must-have tool. The secure tip cover prevents messes and spills. You can use it to melt and drizzle candy, decorate cookies, or portion out sauces. It is very convenient. Cleaning is a breeze. The lid and bottle separate for easy cleaning. Simply hand wash in warm, soapy water, rinse, and dry. These bottles are made of plastic and are reusable. It's a great way to store and reheat leftover candy. Get yours today. What we like. These mini squeeze bottles are perfect for baking and decorating. If you like precision when drizzling melted chocolate or icing cookies, these bottles are ideal. The secure tip cover prevents messes and spills, and cleaning is a breeze. What people say. These are great for flood icing. Easy to fill, use, and clean. The tip is roughly the equivalent of a Wilton 2 or 3. It floods pretty quickly. I can fill these Wilton bottles just by pouring the thinned icing in from a little higher up so the stream is thin, not sure if that makes sense. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.